Hey guys, it's Miss Fluffy. I'm back with another video. To this video, I'll be doing a mukbang. Y'all don't know what mukbang. I got some McDonald's breakfast for y'all today. I got double stack pancakes. I got the big breakfast. That's what I got. Buy one, get one free. So that's why I got two, and I got two hash browns right here. I got me a caramel iced coffee and some syrup to put on my pancakes. And I got some ketchup, some jelly, some butter, everything you're gonna need. Let me taste this. That is so good. You know, some people can't make, they don't know how to make iced coffee good. Like, the thing be tasting so fresh, and you pay for extra. Hold on, let me take this off. Then you pay for extra caramel, and it's still fresh. Oh, I got some salt and pepper somewhere around here. I got some salt and pepper, but I'm just have to make do. I got some eggs. So good. If you have if you got salt and pepper, make sure you put it on it. I just can't find mine. Why do I always get messy? Every time I'm feeling. Ooh, I'm gonna put some jelly on my biscuits. Whoa, this biscuit actually feels soft and moist. Come on. Yes, guys, I took out my box braids, my protective style that I put in like 2 weeks ago. So I took out my hair, washed it, put a whole bunch of grease, whole bunch of grease in there. You want to keep your hair moisturized. That's how you get breakage. Oh man. I'm putting a little bit of syrup because I hate when the syrup gets all over everything. 3 stack, okay. I don't like syrup on my egg and all that. Because then everything just tastes like one big sweet dish. Or a meal, breakfast. I don't want that. So I bought this wig from AliExpress. And I took it up on myself to bleach it. See, I know that I'm supposed to wear gloves. When you're bleaching your hair. When you're bleaching anything, make sure you wear gloves. I know that, but I didn't wear none. And my fingers started to like peel off a little bit, the skin. Some of it. Y'all don't want to see that. I'm not going to show y'all. Y'all don't want to see that. I'm going to do like a fruit mukbang or something. Because all this fast food is like too much. Mm. Mm. Damn. Mm. So sweet. That was not supposed to fall in there. But yeah, the wig turned out nice. Well, the color turned out nice. You just gotta cut the bang on it. Cut the bang on it, and then that'll be it. Mm. Last time I ate these, they had like an aftertaste, so let me try it. Mm. 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 I see why people go to McDonald's all the time. Mm. 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 Give some of this. Ooh. If you're from the islands, you know your parents always say, go make a cup of tea. Yeah, I drink. No. If you're from the islands, they know drinking no sweet tea or no soda for breakfast. No. You gotta drink something hot. Drink some Cersei tea. Some mint tea. Some ginger tea. Anything hot. That's what you're gonna have, or hot water. Oh. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Honestly, I'll probably save the other one for tomorrow or some other day because this thing's kind of heavy. Like, it's like a heavy breakfast. The syrup is so sweet. The jelly. Put a little bit of butter on here. The jelly on the biscuit is too much. Yeah, I could eat this again like a couple months down the road. Pretty good, but not like every day. Mm. Mm. These pancakes are actually good. I won't say they're the greatest, but they good. They good. Mm. Mm. Man, I did so much this morning. I had to, well, I took out my hair, washed my hair, shaved everywhere, twist up my hair. Oh, I don't know if y'all want to see it. Let me see. Okay, yeah. There you go. That's how I'm looking mad. That's really outside. You know, on Sundays, Jamaican story. On Sundays, you wash your hair, and then you twist it up or braid it up. No. You wash it on Saturday so it could dry, so you could comb it On Sunday, my sister will comb my hair. Like, I comb her hair, she comb my hair. Yes, I can braid. Beard much time putting, you know, wicked. This is gonna be a short video because woo, 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 woo. This meal is richer than the pizza that I ate yesterday. This is This filled me up so quick. A typical Jamaican breakfast, you might have some ackee and saltfish with some fried dumpling. If y'all don't know what ackee and saltfish is, I made a video on that. You gotta really scroll all the way down and you'll see it. Ackee and saltfish. You can eat callaloo. I'm not really a big fan of callaloo. But I can eat cabbage. I can eat cabbage anytime, any day. But I don't like callaloo. It just tastes weird. Not say it tastes weird, but it's just not my style. And y'all could go back and see my when I just started out and how long my hair has grown since then. And when I just started, like, the hair just a little bit of hair. Yeah, what, 6 months now? Grew a lot. So I'm gonna try and wear more protective styles so I can protect my hair and my hair can grow. Cause I'm tired of this breakage. Tired of my hair breaking. Yeah, man. My belly is full. Woo. Woo. Damn. My lips are cute. When I get fatter, your lip then get fatter too. Because I remember when my lips were so small. I mean, now they're big and plump, but still look good. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Bye!